Yo, what is going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips. Haven't done a video. Well, I did a live stream yesterday, but I'm going to be showing you how to change the date and time on your computer because sometimes when you reinstall Windows or sometimes it just resets itself. I've actually had issues with that. Not everyone's going to have that same issue, but I'm going to be showing you how to change your date and time in Windows 10 Home. This will work for, well, any version of Windows 10. If you guys want to see how to do this with Windows 7, let me know. So the first thing you want to do is, obviously go to the settings. So you can click the Start menu. And if it's not here, then all you have to do is just click the Start menu button on your keyboard, and then just type in Settings, because sometimes it won't be there. Sometimes you don't have that set up or something. You're going to go to Time and Language, and then you're going to turn off Set Time Automatically. And you can turn this on. Sometimes it'll work, sometimes it won't. Yeah, it didn't work this time. So you're just going to click Change. And then, since it's 8:56, all I have to do is literally change that, and I'm done. So that's how you change your time in Windows 10. I know it was a really short video, but I'm just going to do tips and tricks like this. So yeah, not everyone actually really does know how to do this, and you might want to change this to Eastern Time if you live where I do. This is for US and Canada. So let me actually do that. So sometimes it will work, sometimes it won't. In this case it does, probably because I actually have my location services off, so that's probably why it didn't work the first time. But if you do it, just click the time zone to your actual time zone. If you know it, you can actually look it up by going here to Google. And you're just going to look up, what is my time zone? And then it's going to say this. It's going to say 8:57. So if you can do that. You can actually go like this, and it should say Eastern Standard Time. And just look for your actual time, like look at your phone or something to find out what you want. You got UTC, Eastern Standard Time, New York, blah, 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 blah. So that's how you check it. Yeah, so short video. Like the video if you liked it. Dislike if you thought it sucked. Subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. Keep an eye out for a video on the update to my computer. I have to buy the motherboard first. I do have a new processor. It's an i5-23220, sorry. Really good processor. It's quad core, 10 times better than my Phenom. My Phenom actually had bent pins. Don't ask how that happened, but yeah, I thank you guys for your support, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Peace out.